Hello friends, good evening all of you. Today's session we are going to see about graph theory in discrete mathematics. It's a very important concept, Handshaking Lemma and Kruskal algorithms and Prim's algorithms. It's very important. Sure, you'll get one or two questions from this concept. 100% you'll get questions for net exam and set exam as well as. Okay, we can move on to the topic. If you have any doubts regarding that video, you can post in the comment box also. Or again, I'll tell you, you can join in the WhatsApp group, which we have given in the channel link we have posted. You can join in the WhatsApp group. Just you can ask any doubts regarding that this one. Sure, we will tell you that doubts also will clarify, as well as we'll post many nodes, definitions, tables, and many formulas, everything. Anyway, discrete mathematics after the completion of portions, this unit 1. So sure, I'll post the full word file. It's a only formulas. And apart from one more word file, that is match the following questions. Not only discrete mathematics, after that every concept, every units, I'm going to post like this. It will be best to revise in the exam time. Okay, we will move on to the now concept. First one, this is tree based questions. You can see here a tree has an 2n vertex of degree 1. This is a handshaking lemma. This is based on concept. 3n vertex of degree 2 and n vertex of degree 3. So determine the number of vertices and edges in tree. You can see they have given, this is the input, first input, this is second input and third input. So depends on that we have to calculate vertices and wedges. So order they have given first number of vertices then edges, because we have two numbers continuously. You can see here 12, 11 and 11, 12 also. Once we are going to calculate that, sometimes 11, 12 also we will get order answer wise. But what they are asking the question, which order they are asking that question, this is very important to remember that whenever they are asking two or three numbers, okay, that we have to check. Okay, now we can see to it. First, what are the things we have to follow? First step, total number of vertices we need to find out. So here vertices only means with the degree 1 here. Vertices only means 2n plus 3n plus n. Then 2n plus 3n plus n. This is called vertices. So totally how many vertices? 6n. This is number of vertices. You can see here. I've written here also. Okay. This is first number of vertices we found. Next one, using the handshaking lemma, the formula, the sum of degree of vertices is, so we have to find out with the degree. So 2n into 1, 3n, 2n into 1 plus 3n into degree 2, 3n into degree 2 plus n vertices into degree 3. So n into 3 we need to find out. So what is the value? This is 2n plus this is 3 into 2, 6n plus n into 3, 3n. So here you can see 2n, 6n, 3n. We have given total 11n we got. Okay, again I'll tell you, first step 1, we found number of vertices only. So after that, using handshaking lemma, we found actually with degree we have calculated 11n we got. Now this is for any graph. This is this one formula. Now since a tree with v vertices is equal to v minus 1, edges equal to v minus 1 formula. So edges equal to we got what we got, vertices we got 6n. Yes. So 6n minus 1. Yes, again I'll tell you formula. This is one formula. This is one formula. This is one formula. Another formula E equal to V is equal to E plus 1. It will come. Vertices equal to E plus 1. Okay, now you can see h is equal to v minus 1. No, so h is equal to v already we found, that is called 6n minus 1. Okay, now you can see just we are applying E is equal to 11n, total 11n equal to, this is the formula actually, total sum of degrees equal to 2e actually. Okay, this is a summation of degrees equal to 2e formula. So what is the summation of degrees? So 11n equal to 2 into what is the e value? 6n minus 1 is the E value. Just applying, I'm applying 6n minus 1. Again, I'll tell you the summation of degree we got 11n equal to 2 into what is the edges we got? Edges equal to V minus 1 formula we applied. Instead of V, we applied 6n minus 1. So 6n minus 1 I got value. Okay, now I am going to do this calculation now. So now what is 11n equal to 2 into 6, 12n minus 2. Okay, now what is the value? 12n minus 11n is equal to 1n, n equal to value 2. So from this one we got n equal to 2. Now we have to apply vertices equal to what? 6n. So vertices equal to 6n means 6 into n how much? 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now vertices I got 12. Edges equal to what is the formula? V minus 1. Yes, now edges equal to V already we got 12. So 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Now edges 11, vertices 12. So my what first number they are asking, vertices they asked. So 12 value. Second edges they asked. So 12 comma 11. This is the answer. Okay. So this is the formula we have to apply. I hope it is clear. Just you can work out 2 or 3 times. Really, it will be very easy and it will be a very important question. The same format, you can see the certain tree has 2 vertices of degree 4. So 2 vertices of first one vertices we can find. Okay, so 2 vertices. Okay, 2 vertices. Just you can write 2 vertices. Okay, 2 plus and 1 vertex. 2 plus 2 vertex, here 1 vertex. Okay, plus again and 1 vertex of degree 2 1. Okay, plus then if the other vertex of degree 1, so 2 plus 1 plus 1 and remaining everything is other vertex of degree 1 they have given. So I don't know, just I'm taking x actually. So now what is the value? 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So x plus 4 I got, this is called vertex. Here you can see it, first step 1, total number of vertices v is equal to 2 plus, again as the same I have written, but understanding purpose I am writing here. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus x, x plus 4 I got. Okay, this I have, we got actually, we just you can keep it. Now sum of degrees we need to find out. So the formula we know. So sum of degrees equal to Handshaking lemma equal to 2e. What is sum of degrees? So 2 into 4. So 2 into 4. Okay. Plus what is the 1 into vertex degree 3? So 1 into 3. Okay. Plus 1 into degree 2. Okay. 1 into degree 2. Okay. Then what is remaining other vertex into degree 1? So plus x into 1. This is the meaning. Okay. Now 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus x. So what is the value? 8 plus 3, 11, 11, 13. So it's equal to 13 plus x. This is the sum of degree. Okay. Now sum of degree we got, vertex we got. So now we see E is equal to V minus 1. V, what is the value? X plus 4. Now x plus 4 minus 1. This minus 1 we are applying, E we apply for. E is equal to, we need to apply E value. This value means first E we need to find out. E value is equal to V minus 1. E is equal to V, what is the value we got? X plus 4. X plus 4 we got. So x plus 4 minus 1. Now what is the value? Just you can just minus x plus 3 we got. So this is the value x plus 3. Now this is called E. Okay, x plus 3 E we got. This is E. E x plus 3 means now we can see. Now I am going to apply the, this is sum of degrees equal to 2E. I'll erase it everything and I'll write again. Sum of degree what? 13 plus x I got. Sum of degree 13 plus x I got equal to 2 into what I got? 2 into E is equal to x plus 3. 2 into x plus 3. Just I am applying this handshaking theorem, sum of degrees equal to 2e. Okay. Now 13 plus x equal to 2x plus 6. Okay. Now 13 minus 6 equal to 7. 2x minus is equal to x equal to, now I got 7. Now just you can apply vertex. Vertex what? Vertex equal to what we got? X plus 4 we got. Upper 7 plus 4 what? 11. Actually, there how many vertex are there in the graph only they are asking. So 11 will be the answer. Vertex we got. So no need to work out other things actually. But edges also, while doing practice, edges also you can practice. Edges equal to v minus 1. So v what? 11 we got. So 11 minus 1 equal to edges will be 10. Suppose if they will ask vertex as well as edges, means you can write 11 and 10. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, next question. It's very important question. The weight of minimum spanning tree in graph G calculated using Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal and Prim's algorithm. It's very much important. Okay. First one. This is the diagram they have given. This is the answer actually. Okay, this is the diagram you have given input. First in Kruskal algorithm, first you have to calculate how many vertex are there. This is one vertex, two vertex, three vertex, four vertex, five vertex. So vertex equal to this one edges equal to v minus 1. We know the formula actually. There we have applied so many times. Yes. So edges equal to how many edges we need? 5 minus 1 equal to I need 4 edges. I need to form this one draw actually. So this edges how to draw? What is the things means? We need to start from initial first less value, less ascending order we need to write. So 2 we have to write, and 3 we have to write. Next to 4, next to 5, next to 6, next to 7. This is 8. Now we need to follow this one and we have to write the diagram. Okay. First one we can write this diagram. This is 2, no? So 2 we can write. This is 2. Okay, over. So totally edges 4 only. This not way, it won't allow to connect actually with its cycle. Okay. Now 3 we can see. 3 is there here, 3. This is 3. Okay. This is also over. Next one 4 is there. So 4 I am going to connect this one. Okay, 4. This is also over. Next 5 if I'll connect. 5 if I'll connect, it will be uh, this is giving just cycle. It is not it won't allow to give this cycle, so it's no, we can't put as a 5. So next value we have to go. So 5 it's not possible. Okay, now 6 we can go. 6 it's where it is 6 here. Okay, so 4 edges over not connected also. So now just you can calculate 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 3 third 15. So 15 will be the answer. So Kruskal algorithm, just we have to follow. First one edges we need to find out how many edges we need to calculate, and second one ascending order we need to write. So depends on the ascending order we need to this write draw how many edges. So ascending order we have to move one by one, but if it is connecting means the number it has to omit. Okay. So these are the procedure we need to follow. This is a small question I told you. Just we can see move on to the another question. Okay. Now, if it is possible, we can see this one. As, many other questions are there. Otherwise, we can see in the other videos also. Because it is a small, it's big question. Other questions also, it's a big questions only. Now we can see use Kruskal algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree of the graph. The weight of the minimum tree is what is the value they have given. Now, how many first one, what I told you, edges we need to find out. Edges equal to what? V minus vertex is minus 1. So, how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. We need to find out 8 edges. That is my first thing. Next to one small minimum value you can write 1, 1. This is 1. This is 1. So 3, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Next to this is you can erase it. It will be better to understand good. Next to no, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2 are there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 twos are there. 1, 3, 3. That's all. 3, only 2 threes are there. 2, 3. Okay, over. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fours are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one what? 5, 5. 2 fives are there. So 5 and 5. Next one 6. Totally how many values you can check it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 16 values it has to be there. So I'll erase it this one only. It will be understand. It won't understand if it is there like this. Okay, now we can see. So totally how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 values I got. Now 8 edges I have to form. First one I'm going to form this one. So this one I'm going to form. Okay, one. This one over. Next one where it is this one. So this one I'm going to connect this one over. Next one where it is this one. Okay, next to this one I'm going to connect. This is one over. So this one also. Next to two, which one I'm going to connect this one. So uh, okay, this is two over. Okay, so next one, this two I'm going to connect. So this two I'm going to connect. This is one actually. Okay, this two I'm going to connect over. This is two over. Next to third two actually, if I'll connect this one means I'll get a actually connection connect. It will be connected, so it's not allowed. So this one, this two I'll connect. Okay, one two to this two I'll connect. This is two. Okay, this two, one, two, it's not possible. This two connected. Okay. So how many edges I've connected? One, two, three, four, five, six. Still two more edges I have to connect. Three, if I'll connect this one means it's not possible. It will connect at this part actually. It will make a cycle. It won't allow. So we can move on to the next three. This it's not possible. Next three what? This one. Okay, this is not possible. This is okay, no problem. So I'm going to connect this one three. Okay. Next to only one thing I have to connect. This four I'll connect means I'll get a cycle. No, no, it's not possible. This four it's possible. Okay, so I'm going to make this four. This four it's possible. So it is not possible. This one, this is possible. This is possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is connected. 7, 8. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 connected. 1, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 30. No, no, it's not possible. So what is the value? 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 16 value I am getting. So this is a 16 value. That's all. This is the method to do the Kruskal algorithm. Really, it will be very interesting and it's very important also. So don't skip this question. Really, it's very important. So again, next class we are going to see still three more PYQs to solve that questions. Kruskal and Prim's algorithms also we can see next video. I hope is it clear. If it's not clear, kindly if you ask in the doubts in the chat box also, sure I will clear again. I'll post in the videos. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you once again.